Once upon a time, there was no digital. To choose a new hairdo, you actually had to browse a magazine. To learn about the makeup, you had to take a class. Yes, times were tough. But now we're online, and online is a kingdom of the content. Brands are competing for your attention, and L'Oreal Adria Balkan will win this competition using quality content on both paid and owned media. It brings us various benefits for brands, from education to conversion boost. And today, we're switching to smaller screens by creating separated strategies for advertising on the go. Because the brand is where the consumer is. It has to be interesting, especially on social networks. And if we play this part right, we get other important benefits, word of mouth and user-generated content. Reviews, comments on social networks and blogs, they're all very precious to us. It connects us directly with the consumer. Even more, it makes them promoters of our brands. Online and offline are starting to overlap, opening a space for media experience that uses the best of both worlds and gets new customers to your shops. So, let's start our online journey with social trends. Facebook is still #1. YouTube is all about fun and laugh or tips and tricks. Instagram is gaining popularity day by day. On Snapchat, users share photos, videos, and messages known as snaps. Once it gets viewed, the snap will disappear forever. So, whatever you plan, don't forget to plan with the digital, as it can make your sales fly to the moon. Apply 3 simple digital rules. First, go digital. Second, be direct. Tell people to buy the product and give them a relevant content. And third, think mobile. Always do mobile responsive websites. In 2017, we plan to accelerate e-commerce for 20%. We need to keep communicating with e-retailers and pure players and creating direct-to-consumer e-commerce with Nix. Launch of Nix, new brand on our market, is a great opportunity to establish personalized relationships with consumers. As Nix is an online brand, it will be presented on our market with the web shop, and we even plan to launch it big and open a spectacular shop in Zagreb. Use your data and make the best of the precise targeting in online advertising. Learn who buys our products and why. And above all, be a love brand. Win online and you'll win their hearts. For makeup, social is the first step. Be active, use bloggers. When it comes to skin, search engine optimization and ratings work for you. People Google skin problems, looking for the reviews and experiences, so use SEO to let them find our solutions. SEO makes you more visible in non-paid search engine results. Choose your keywords carefully. Use the exact terms people are Googling and be the answer to their question. Cook with natural ingredients. Work on your SEO platform and content. When it comes to hair, work on testimonials and visibility. Online is a great tool, but if you choose not to use it, it's useless. To fulfill the great potential of online, we need you, colleagues, friends, team. Together, we can make digital rock. Let's make that click.